In this video, I'm going to show you how to do motion tracking in CapCut. This is the end result. We're going to place the text and it's going to track with the head movement of the bird and plate. In CapCut, to create a project, click on the plus sign, then New Project. This brings us to the main interface of the CapCut. To import the video, I simply drag the video into Media. Click the plus in the clip to import the video into timeline. To cut the video, I'm just going to bring the playhead to part where I want to trim. Click the splice icon or Ctrl+B. Now delete the rest of the video that I don't need. I use up arrow to go to the beginning video and down arrow to go to the end of the video. Notice when you only have one track of video, the option of tracking doesn't appear. To add text, click on the text icon, click on the plus to add the text into the timeline. Notice the tracking option appear now that you have more than one layer in the timeline. Let's customize our text and place below the bird. Click on the timeline zoom plus to zoom in the timeline. Click play. Of course, the text won't follow the bird in motion. Still in text layer, click on option tracking. Select motion tracking. Position the tracking box on the bird's head and resize if need. Click Start to start the tracking process. Now I want to position the text above the bird. Click play and you can see the text does follow the bird's motion, although the text scale does increase as the bird gets closer. To keep the text the same size, then you can turn off the scaling. Turn off the distance to turn off the text that follow the tracking object. I'm just going to enable the distance back on. You can customize the text property such as the color, the scale. You can even add the stroke. When the video is ready, click on Export. You can change the title, where to export to, resolution, bitrate, and so on. Click Export. So here's the sample of our exported video where text follow the bird as they fly around. So that's the end video. Thanks for watching. Click a like if you like this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And I hope this video is helpful for you.